When I first started playing around with the idea of streaming and making videos, I completely underestimated the impact a comprehensive lighting setup has on the whole scene. I mean, everybody on the internet kept saying that, but I thought I could wing it with that one ring light I had gotten back in Christmas in 2020. The biggest problem with lights is that you don't see them, but their absence is very much visible. So here's a little 4-step breakdown of my current lighting setup. This is it, no lights, just whatever natural light spills in through the window on a dark April morning in Berlin. Definitely not bad, but wait for it. Number one, a key light. A key light set at a 45-degree angle, bounced off the wall and the ceiling. I use an old Elgato ring light because I don't want it to be a bad purchase. Number two, a fill light. A smaller key light set at the opposite side in a 45-degree angle. I use an Aputure MC and I make my purple because why the hell not? Number three, a rim light. This is a new addition and it makes such a difference. It creates a nice little amount of separation between the subject, that's me, and the background. And it's also purple. Number four, practicals. That's just a weird name for lights that are just for vibes. They make the scene a little bit more lively and natural without adding too much light in and of themselves. I got some lights from IKEA. I have a set of Nanoleafs, and that's it. There's probably much more I could do with a little bit more budget. A couple of tube lights or Aputure MCs to create more ambience, a better key light or proper curtains to prevent sunlight from spilling in uncontrollably. But for now, this is an amazing setup that more than covers all of my needs, from streaming to having video calls to running remote D&D sessions for my friends. If you have any recommendations or feedback, leave a note in the comments, hit all of those buttons. In any case, thank you so much. See you in the next one.